In this session, we will learn how to create a multi-part feature in QGIS. Let's get started. First, create a new shapefile polygon layer. Now select the polygon layer and click on Toggle Editing button. And then click on Add Polygon tool. Now create a polygon and right-click to finish. Click on Select Feature tool and select the polygon. Now right-click on Toolbar and turn on Advanced Digitizing Toolbar. From Advanced Digitizing Toolbar, click on Add Part tool. Now add more polygons. To finish a polygon, right-click and then digitize another one. When you are finished, turn off Toggle Editing mode. This is a multi-part polygon. That means all polygons are a part of a single feature. When you select one, all polygons are selected.